was an early Saturday morning when I decided I wanted to try something new. Yes. Now, for the longest time while growing up, I always hear about jerk rabbit. And I heard through the grapevine that there's one place I can guarantee to get jerk rabbit. But the only catch is I have to go early. And this was Morris Fish and Jerk in Mandeville. I'ma quickly reach Morris for order my jerk rabbit when me hear a familiar voice. To my surprise, it was Camille Davis. Oh, Camille, my favorite actress, is a foodie just like myself. Coincidentally, we end up back up at the same place. Tell me about a spot that she's about to go check out. She asked me if I want for tag along. It turned out the rabbit would have taken off already. I'ma gladly make my belly lead me astray. So half me and Camille and her family went to find some good food. But little did I know I was not going to be prepared for what was about to come. Oh, Father God, bless my soul. Off I went behind Camille and her family in search of this brand new food spot. And I was excited. Not only was this an adventure, but this was food in the country, you know. And you know how country food nice. Oh, everything was good until an hour and a half passed. Then the hour and a half turned to 2 hours. Then 2 hours turned to 3. I start getting nervous. Eventually came to a turn and stop. Only to realize because we don't know where to go, we end up making the wrong turn and we have to turn right back. Like this time, Mrs. Old tired and beat down my back. 6'4" body start for aching at the liquor bro box. And I was dying to see the end of this journey. But my belly keeps saying continue son, continue. And because me in the middle of God he knows where, I could not turn back. Could feel the grey hair them a push out of my head. This journey was stressing me right out. By this time my mouth did I get dry. And I had already eat all the fruits and drink all the water I could find. This down place where them say was around the corner was still nowhere to be found. Until finally the car in front of me make a stop. But I was confused. Where we stopped was nothing short of back of God. It looked like God turning back long time. But right in the square of back of God I see a crowd of people. A whole heap of people too. I was curious to know why. Camille was ahead of me. I quickly walked towards the whole house and the whole shed. Then we hear Camille say,
will last about 10 times.
Oh Lord, she take the words right out of my mouth. I wanted to know what was happening. Then I saw a box. What could possibly be in that box? Make so much people gather around. I couldn't wait to find out. I had to get closer. Then I saw it. It looked like rice with some form of meat. But the meat and the rice did combine. It's kinda like the rice was inside the meat. All I know, tons of people was waiting. Turns out that I was in Westmoreland and this was Lamb's. Then Camille started telling me.
Oh my gosh. So this is an entire pig. It's stuffed with rice in the middle. It's nice and crispy on the outside. So I'm about to taste it for the first time. So I'm gonna tell y'all how this tastes today, alright?
Boy, Camille was excited. Not tell a lie, me too. While Camille ordered, I could see some of the foodies feeding them face. Turns out none of them was from Lamb's River. Those who not come from Mobay come from Kingston. All 14 parishes. All of them just for try the Lamb's River pork. Then it was time for Camille to give us the taste test.
This is really good. Really, really good. So the flavors just explode on my mouth. Give me a second. See some. It's a little bit peppery, but I love pepper. Look here, guys. Oh my gosh. This was worth the drive.
Alright, so we drive back.
After driving back, I later found out that this is not an everyday thing.
It's done every Saturday, and it's stuffed with seasoned rice. So the outside of the pig is nice and crispy, and inside is nice and succulent, and the rice just adds a burst of flavor in your mouth. It's absolutely amazing. You should see the crowd here waiting.
And some of these people are not even from Lamb's River, they're from like Mobay, Kingston.
Just like we're out of
town. The food is good. The food is good. You guys need to check it out. That's small like a space enough. You know what I mean?
But trust me, highly recommended. It's worth the drive.
I agree. So we'll drive.